Well, Bernadette, I'm delighted to hear that you're getting into gardening. So I mentioned growing potatoes in bags. This is the bag, or the type of bag that I'm going to show you next, in which I'm growing potatoes. These little water hens are eating my potatoes. Now, much as I love the water hens, I don't really like the fact that they eat my potatoes. So this is what I mean now when I say the water hens are eating my potatoes. They actually dig them up and eat them. So here are the bags. There's a bit of grass growing up around them there, but I simply laid these bags on the ground in, I'm going to say May. I cut the top of the bag off with a Stanley knife, just to open it up so you can see the compost. Then just soften up the compost. There are 4 seed potatoes spaced out evenly in this bag. I turn the bag upside down like this. Okay, so we can see our potatoes here now starting to appear. Anyway, I wouldn't say they're the biggest spuds I ever grew, but some people are saying the dry May didn't help matters. So I'm just going to empty out another bag and we'll see what kind of a return we get from 2 bags. So here are 2 of the seed potatoes that I planted back at the end of April, and it's pretty much that's what they look like. They look a bit more shriveled up now, but they'd have little sprouts coming out of them, and you would plant them with the sprouts facing up the way. So there's what I got now out of the 2 bags of potatoes. It's nearly half a bucket full from 8 seed potatoes. Plant them in late April, get them in early August or late July.